good. 4 plus 2, 6. Sai Pallavi, let's do the addition in number line. 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2. Okay, do the addition. 6 plus 2. Okay, very good. Well done. Okay, Sampanna, are you ready for the number line addition? 8 plus 2. Yes, very good. Well done. Okay, Samarpreet, are you ready for the number line addition?
Yes.
1 plus 2.
3.
Okay, let's do the addition in number line. 1 plus 2.
3.
Yes, well done. Raksika, are you ready for the number line addition?
Yes.
5 plus 3.
8.
Okay, do the addition.
5. 6. 7. 8.
5 plus 3.
8.
Okay, well done. Are you ready for the number line addition?
Yes.
9 plus 1.
10.
Okay, let's do
9. 10.
9 plus 1.
8.
Okay, well